Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a tool that can help you scan potential groups and automatically post sales to them. It saves time, but still improves sales efficiency. Watch the video and support me by subscribing. First, access the MKT Post software. Select the scan function, scan groups. Select the Facebook account to scan. Enter the keyword you want the software to scan in the keyword box. Click Start to let the software start scanning the group for you. After the software finishes scanning, we will export it to an Excel file and we will copy the UID of the group we want. Then go back to the software and select the group posting function. We will import the groups that we just copied. Select the content that you want the software to post. Select the Facebook account. Finally, press Start to run the software. The software is running. I will go in and check to see if it is posting as installed. And it absolutely posted as installed. My video ends here. If you are interested in the software, please contact me via the information below the screen.